Good morning everyone. Welcome to Smarty channel. Today I am going to teach you a trick by using which you can do complex calculations without using pen and paper. So let's start the session. So in this session I'll teach you how to multiply numbers with 125. Okay, if you go by traditional method it will take lot of time to multiply with 125, but I'll show you a trick by using which you can easily multiply numbers with 125. So let us take one example. So on the screen you can see you have 32 into 125. So I want to multiply 32 with 125. So what you do is you divide 32 by 8. If you divide 32 by 8, 32 is exactly divisible by 8. 8 fours are 32. So when you divide 32 by 8, you will get quotient as 4 and the remainder as 0. So whenever after multiplying the number with 8, whenever you get 0 as the remainder, you put 3 zeros in the answer. So this is the required answer. So 32 into 125 is equal to 4000. So divide the number by 8, put the quotient on the left side, on the right side depending upon the remainder you put the number. Okay, so you need to remember one thing. When you are dividing a number by 8 and if you get 0 as the remainder, you have to put 3 zeros. Okay, and if you get remainder as 1, you have to put 125 on the right side. And if the remainder is 2, you have to put 250 on the right side. If the remainder is 3, 375 on the right side. And if the remainder is 4, 500 on the right side. And if the remainder is 5, you have to put 625 on the right side. And if the remainder is 6, 750 on the right side. And if the remainder is 7, 875, you have to put it on the right side of the answer. So this table you need to remember. It's very simple. It's very simple and easy. Now let us take an example. Let us take 49 into 125. 49 into 125. First divide 49 with 8. First divide 49 by 8. 49 by 8 is, when you divide 49 by 8, you 6 8s are 48. So you will get 6 as the quotient and you will get 1 as the remainder. So as per the table shown above, I told you that if the remainder is 1, you have to put 125 in the right portion of the answer. So you got the left portion of the answer. To get the right portion of the answer, because the remainder is 1, put 125 on the right side. So this is the required answer. So 49 into 125 is equal to 6125. So 49 into 125 is equal to 6125. Now let us take another example. 164. Let us take a 3-digit number. 164 into 125. 164 into 125. After you divide, so first divide 164 with 8. After dividing 164 by 8, 8 2s are 16. You will get 20 as the quotient and you will get 4 as the remainder. So whenever you get the 4 as remainder, as per the table shown above, so when you get 4 as the remainder, put 500 in the right portion of the answer. So this is the required answer. So 164 into 125 is equal to 20,500. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another 3-digit number. 461 into 125. So first divide 461 by 8. 461 by 8 is 8 5s are 40. So 8 5s are 40 and 60. 8 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. So after dividing 461 by 8, you are getting 57 as the quotient and you are getting 5 as the remainder. When you get 5 as the remainder, what you have to do is you have to put 625 on the right portion of the answer. So this is the required answer. So 461 into 125 is equal to 461 into 125 is equal to 57,625. So 461 into 125 is equal to 57,625. Now let us take another example. 943 into 125. So first divide 943 by 8. When you divide 943 by 8, you will get 1, another 1, 8. So 63. 63 means you will get 7 8s are 56. So 7 is the remainder. So after dividing 943 with 8, you are getting 117 as the quotient and you are getting 7 as the remainder. So as per the table given above, if you get remainder as 7, on the right portion of the answer you have to put 875. You have to put 875. 5. So this is the required answer. So 943 into 125 is equal to 1,17,875. It's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. Okay, so this is how you have to multiply with 125. So if you have really liked this session and if you want me to come up with more such sessions, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, and in future I will be coming with more such sessions. So thank you for patiently watching my channel. Thank you for patiently watching my channel. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.